Hello, welcome to OBSMT. Now the writing machine is the PCB magazine loader again. There is a popular saying in China: important things need repeat for 3 times. The important machine we introduce daily, avoid you miss it. Yes, we are the famous handling system factory in China, such as the PCB magazine loader, unloader, PCB conveyor, PCB buffer, NG buffer, PCB lifter, PCB shuttle, PCB turn conveyor, PCB inverter, etc. PCB handling system puts before and after any automatic machine. That is a full line connection without any mistake. There are communication-wise SMIMA singular, stable, accurately to put the PCB to your next station. We have experienced engineer, customized the design for the machine's hardware or software, also no problem for us. Our patient after sales service ensure to solve your problem within 24 hours. Sourcing, troubleshooting, and giving solution. No barrier English communication. Let us make your business much easier. If you have any questions or inquiries, welcome to contact us. Thanks for your watching.